Activity. Tick the correct answer. To which generation does the ENIAC belong? First generation. The abacus was first developed in dash China. Which of the following was used as an input device in second generation? Punch cards. Match the following. IBM Z series. My mainframe computer. Param supercomputer. Dell microcomputer. PDP-2 mini computer. Exercise corner. Tick the correct answer. Which is the first calculating device? Abacus. Into how many generations are computers classified? 5. Fourth generation computers are use microprocessor. Desktop computers, laptop, palm top and tablets are categories of microcomputers. True or false? The analytical engine consists of only two units, input and middle. False. Second generation computers used transistor. True. Fifth generation computers used integrated circuit. False. Mini computers are more expensive than supercomputer. False. A computer can take a decision on its own. False. Name the following. The first calculating device, abacus. The first automatic calculating device, difference engine. The first electronic computer, ENIAC. The first commercially available computer, UNIVAC. India's first supercomputer, Param 8000. Answer these questions. Write a short note on history of calculating device. Early calculating devices. In early times, people used fingers, stones, and bones for calculations. Later, the Chinese developed the abacus, which helped in counting large numbers. It was made up of wooden frame with rods. Each rod had a definite number of beads. The abacus was the first calculating device. Write the full form of ENIAC and UNIVAC. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. What are the characteristics of second generation computer? In second generation, 1959 to 1963, technology transistors, input and output, punch card, magnetic tapes, smaller, faster and cheaper than first generation. Examples: IBM 1401, RCA 501. Name the device used for input and output process in fourth generation computer. Yes, input and output, keyboard, mouse, scanner and so on for input, monitor, printer, speaker and so on for output. Write two examples and the uses of supercomputer. Supercomputer, Param, Prithvi. Supercomputers are used for weather forecasting, nuclear energy research, earthquake studies, space research. Short notes on abacus. In early times, people used fingers, stones, and bones for calculations. Later, the Chinese developed the abacus, which helped in counting large numbers. It was made up of wooden frame with rods. Each rod had a definite number of beads. The abacus was the first calculating device. It was mainly used by merchants and traders who needed to count the items they sold and bought. It was also used to perform basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Artificial intelligence. In fifth generation computer, artificial intelligence create a technology that enables a computer to think like a human and perform human-like tasks such as voice recognition, decision making, and transition between languages. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are smaller in size and less expensive. They are also called personal computers as they are designed for personal use. Microcomputers are specially designed for general use like entertainment, education, and office work. Some manufacturers of microcomputers are Dell, Apple, HP, and IBM. Microcomputers are of various types: desktop, laptop, and tablets.